man. So tell me what's been happening in your week, bro.
Mainly, I'll be real, bro. Recently, it's been the family thing recently because I've just had 2 kids. In the last 2 years, I've had 2 kids, so I've just been doing the family thing, trying to juggle that. Recently, I've got some more spare time because they're getting a bit older, so Missus getting used to managing it.
Yes.
So that's giving me time to get active again, on the music.
Yes.
And other businesses.
So talk to us about your new track, actually, because that's how I come across you. I heard this song and it was like, Lika lika naam tera miton di rahi sari raat. And then it's like, yo, sweet like Rasmalai. I'm like, who's this guy?
Come on, switching it up.
Love that tune, bro. And you guys brought it back. And yeah, that's how I come across you. And I said to Zavak, I was like, yo, bro, get him on the podcast because I don't even know how somebody access you, bro?
Bro, I know it's difficult. People say it's difficult, but I think I'm quite easily accessible. But people say it's difficult to get hold of me, but it's just, man.
Well, I had to go through someone I knew.
I think because I've been ghost for a couple of years.
Okay.
That's probably what it is.
What's happened in a couple of years?
Nah, my bro, just chilling, just doing, what it is, I'm slowly trying to come away from a lot of the sort of illicit activities and haram activities, trying to do some more positive stuff, and I think because obviously with the kids and family, the foundations of that, I want to be legit, you know what I'm saying? So I've been trying to work on, energy drink business, property, other stuff on the side.
Okay.
As well as obviously the music. I've been in the studio as well. So like, I've been working, just ain't really released nothing until obviously this song here.
Yes.
Which is why you probably heard of it recently because
I hear it.
Just dropped it.
Are there any regrets so far? Now you're now a father, and you're father of 2 kids. Congratulations on that, by the way. But looking back on your life, are there regrets?
I'd say, I mean, there's things that I would have done differently. Maybe some decisions that I would have, thought about again. But I think, all in all, it's like without those mistakes, without the learning curves, I probably wouldn't be sat here today or in the position I'm today. And I'm grateful for, the position I'm in today because throughout the sort of hardships, all the hurdles that have come along the way, I think for me to be in a position I'm today itself, even just to be here, I think it's an achievement, man. So, I don't like to live life with regrets, because otherwise things might have taken a different course. So,
sometimes people can dwell on these things and just be down and just like, dwell on regrets and just keep hating themselves and stuff.
It holds you back in it.
So you believe on just moving forward?
Just move forward and just stay positive and just move forward. Because I mean, in the past I've had issues where things have gone wrong or you've lost money and you just thought about it too much, and it's like rather than thinking about it, you can go out and make more money.
True.
You know what I'm saying?